Hello everyone, sick of cluttered countertops and way too many gadgets just to make one meal? Say hello to your new kitchen MVP, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. If you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen game, this is the one to beat. This isn't just an oven, it's a total multitasking beast. It bakes, roasts, air fries, dehydrates, you name it. Powered by Breville's Element IQ system, with 5 independent quartz elements, it delivers smart, even heat where and when you need it. One of my favorite things? No more cold spots, just perfectly cooked results. Every single time. You've got 13 cooking functions at your fingertips, from toast and pizza to air fry and slow cook. The super convection mode speeds things up to 30%, so dinner's ready fast and still comes out crispy and golden. Fries? Spot on. And here's the winner, it's seriously spacious. We're talking room for a 14-pound turkey, a 9 by 13-inch pan, or even a 12-cup muffin tray. Add in the sleek LCD display, built-in interior light, and premium accessories, and you've got a setup that makes cooking feel totally effortless. One appliance. Endless possibilities. Click the link to get yours now and turn everyday cooking into a culinary masterpiece.